morning students. Today I will explain about the concept of method of least squares. Concept of least squares method. This is the last method, important method, very important method. First one is graphic method, second one is semi-average method, third one is moving average method, fourth one is least squares method. Fourth one is least squares method. Now I will explain the fourth method. Method of least squares or least squares method. Method of least squares. Method of least squares. This is very important essay question. Very important essay question. Problem. Fit a trend line. Fit a trend line. Fit a trend line to the following data. Fit a trend line to the following data. Fit a trend line to the following data. Fit a trend line to the following data by the method of least squares. Fit a trend line. Fit a straight line trend. Fit a straight line trend to the following data. Fit a straight line trend to the following data by the method of least squares. Fit a straight line trend to the following data by the method of least squares. Data years. Data years. 1996, 1997, 1996, 97, 98 till 2004, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Next, profits. Profit 12.6, 14.8, 18.6, 14.8, 16.6, 21.2, 18.0 or 18, 17.4, 15.8, 15.8. This is the given data. Year is small t. Years t. Profits is considered as y. Profits. Years is considered as t. Profits is considered as y. Capital Y. Next, this is 9. Odd years. 9. Number of years are 9. Now we have to calculate x value. X equal to odd number of years formula. X formula. T minus middle year by H. T minus middle year by H. X formula in odd number of years. T minus middle year by H. What is the middle year? Middle year is 1999. Middle year is 2000, not 19. 2000. Middle year is 2000. 2000 is the middle year. T is years. Middle year is 2000. 2000 is fixed. H is gap between the years. Class interval. H is class interval. Gap between the years. Class interval value 1. H value 1. Gap between the years is 1. 1996, 1997. 1997, 1998. Gap is 1. Next, Now we have to find out the x value to the first year, 1996. Now t is 1996. 1996 minus 2000, middle year is 2000. 1996 minus 2000 by h, by 1. 1996 minus 2000 is minus 4. Next, now t value is 1997. 1997 minus 2000 is minus 3. H by 1. Next, 1998 minus 2000 is minus 2. 1999 minus 2000 is minus 1. 2000. Now t value is 2000, middle year is 2000. 0. 2001 minus 2000 is 1. 2002 minus 2000 is 2. 2003 minus 2000 is 3. 2004 minus 2000 is 4. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel, minus 3 plus 3 cancel, minus 2 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Summation x is 0. Summation x is 0. Next, straight line trend equation. Straight line trend equation is yt equal to a plus bx. Straight line trend equation is yt equal to a plus bx. Next, to find out the a comma b values by using the two normal equations. To find out the a comma b values. To find out the a comma b values by using two normal equations. Two normal equations. H is class interval. Here h value is 1. Gap between the ears is 1. Two normal equations. Summation y equal to a plus n plus summation y equal to na plus b summation x. Summation y equal to na plus b summation x. Summation xy equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Summation xy equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Substitute summation x value in two normal equations. Summation x is 0. Summation x is 0. Summation x is 0. Substitute summation x value in two normal equations. Two normal equations, summation y equal to na plus b summation x. Substitute summation x value. Summation x is 0. B summation x equal to here summation x is 0. Summation x is 0. Summation y equal to na plus 0. Summation x is 0. 0 into b, 0 into anything is 0. Then a equal to summation y by n. A value summation y by n. Second normal equation is summation xy equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Summation x is 0. 0 into anything 0. Summation xy equal to b summation x square. Then b equal to summation xy by summation x square. This is A formula. A summation y by n. B summation xy by summation x square. What is the x formula in odd number of years? X formula is x equal to t minus middle year by h. T minus profit is considered as y. Profit is considered as y. Next, x values -4, -3, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X formula is t minus middle year by h. X formula t minus middle year by h in odd number of years. Summation x is 0. -4 plus 4 -3 plus 3 -2 plus 2 -1 plus 1 0. Cancel. Next, A formula summation y by n. What is summation y? Summation y. Summation y 12.6 plus 14.8 plus 18.6 plus 14.8 plus 16.6 plus 21.2 plus 18 plus 17.4 plus 15.8 is 149.8. 149.8. Summation y value 149.8. N is number of years. Number of years is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N value 9. Number of years. Summation y is 149.8 by n value number of years 9. 149.8 by 9 is 16.64. A value 16.64. A value 16.64. Next to B. B for the summation xy by summation x square. Summation xy by summation x square. X square minus 4 square is 16. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 2 square 4. 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Summation x square 20, 30, 60. 60. Summation x square 60. Next, xy. xy. (12.6 into 6). 12.6 into 4. 12.6 into 4 is 50.4. This is minus 50.4. Next, 14.8 into 3. 44.4 minus 44.4. Next, 18.6 into 2 minus 37.2 minus 14.8 0. 21.2 36. 17.4 into 3 52.2. 52.2. Next, 15.8 into 4 63.2. 63.2. Summation x y. Summation xy 63.2 plus 52.2 plus 36 plus 21.2 minus 14.8 minus 37.2 minus 44.4 minus 50.4 is 25.8. 25.8. Summation x square value 60, summation xy value 25.8. Summation x square and summation xy values are substitute in B. Substitute in B. B equal to summation xy. Summation xy is 25.8. 25.8. Summation x square value is 60. Summation x square value is 60. 25.8 divided by 60 is 0.43. B value 0.43. B value 0.43. A value is 16.64. B value is 0.43. A formula summation y by n. B formula summation xy by summation x square. Straight line trend equation is yt equal to a plus bx. To find out the a comma b values by using two normal equations. To find out the a comma b values by using the two normal equations, summation y equal to na plus b summation x, summation xy equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. A formula summation y by n, B formula summation xy by summation x square. Now we have to find out trend values for all years. Trend values. Trend values or trend equation. Formula yt equal to a plus bx. Yt equal to a plus bx. This is the last column. Yt. T is 1996. T is 1996 equal to a value 16.64. 16.64 plus b value 0.43. 0.43. X value minus 4. X value minus 4. X value minus 4. Next, y at 1997. 16.64 plus 0.43 into x value minus 3. A and b values are fixed. X values different. A and b values are fixed. X values different. Next, y at 1998. 16.64 plus 0.43 into minus 2. Y at 1999. 16.64 plus 0.43 into minus 1. Y at 2000. 16.64 plus 0.43 into 0. Next, y at 2001. 16.64 plus 0.43 into 1. Next, y at 2002. 16.64 plus 0.43 into 2. Next, y at 2003. Y at 2003. 16.64 plus 0.43 into 3. Y at last year. Y at 2004. 16.64 plus 0.43 into 4. $16.64 plus 0.43. 13.64 minus 3.57 is 13.07. 13.07. 16.64 minus 1.29. 15.35. 15.35. 15.78. 16.21. 16.64. 0 into anything 0. 17.07. 17.07. 17.5. 17.93. 18.36. 18.36. 13.07 is approximately 13. 15.35 is 15. 15.78 is 16. 16.21 is 16. 16.64 is 17. 17.07 is 17. 17.5 is 18. 17.93 is 18. 18.36 is 18. Thirteen plus 15 plus 16 plus again 16 plus 17 plus 17 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 is 148. 148. 13 plus 15 plus 16 plus 148. These are the trend values. One advantage in least squares method is there is a trend value to every year. Trend value, every trend value coincide with year. Every trend values coincide with particular year. First trend value 13. 13 is coincide with 1996. 15 is coincide with 1997. 16 is coincide with 1998. Every trend value is coincide with the year in least squares method only. This is the one of the advantage in least squares method. Note just. First trend value is 14.92, not 13.07. 14.92. 14.92 is approximately equal to 15. Approximately equal to 15. Okay. Next graph. First we have to draw a curve by using years and y values. After that we have to draw a trend line using years and trend values. First we have to draw a curve using years and y values. After that we have to draw a trend line using years and trend values. Years and trend values. 1996, 12.6. 2004. Highest value 21. highest value 21. Okay. X Y 1996 to 2004. 1996 to 2004. R is in 0. 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. X-axis years. Y-axis highest value in Y is 21.2. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Y-axis profits. Y-axis profits. Y-axis profits. First curve 1996 profit 12.6. 1996 12.6. Next 1997 14.8. 1997 14.8. Next 1998 18.6. 18.6. $1998 18.6. Next 1999 14.8. 1999 14.8 is 15 approx. 2000 16.6. 16.6 is 17 approx. 2001 21.2. 2001 21.2. 21.2. Next 2002 18. 2002 18. 2003 17.4. 17.4. 2004 15.8. 15.8. 16. 16. Join these points using hand. This is the curve. Next to trend line. Years and trend values. 1996 trend value is 15. 1996 trend value is 15. 1997 15. 1998 16. 1999 16, 2000 17, 2001 17, 2002 18, 2003 18, 2004 18. Join these points using scale. This is the trend line. First we have to draw a curve by using years and profits. After that we have to draw a trend line using years and trend values. This is the graph. Scale is very, very important. Scale. On x-axis is years. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. One advantage in least square method is every trend value is coincide with the year, and another advantage is we have to estimate the future values by using least squares method. We have to estimate the future values. We have to estimate the future values by using least squares method. For example, 1996 to 2004 given data. For example, we have to estimate the profit for the year 2009 by using least squares method. This is the one of the two advantages. One advantage is every trend value coincide with the year, and another advantage is we have to estimate the future values by using least squares method. This problem is odd number of years. Next, even number of years. Least squares method and moving average method, very, very important essay questions. Very, very important and essay questions. Same, even, odd, same procedure, same calculation, but x formula is different. Only x formula is different. Remaining all are same. Problem. Fit a straight line trend. Fit a straight line trend. Fit a straight line trend by the method of least squares. Fit a straight line trend by the method of least squares, and also estimate the sales of commodity, and also estimate the sales of commodities during the years 2005 and 2006. 2005 and 2006 data. Years 1992, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 even years. 8 even years. years 1992, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Total 8 years. Even number of years. Sales 520, 550, 470, 510, 540, 560, 570 and 590. 590. Even number of years. Years is considered as T. Sales is considered as Y. Sales is considered as Y. Next, what is the trend line equation? Straight line trend equation. Straight line equation is yt equal to a plus bx. Yt equal to a plus bx. To find out the a comma b values by using two normal equations. To find out the a comma b values. By using two normal equations. Two normal equations. Summation y equal to na plus b summation x. Summation xy equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. A summation x plus b summation x square. What is the x formula in odd number of years? X equal to t minus middle year by h. H is class interval, gap between the years. Here x formula, x equal to t minus average of middle years, t minus average of middle years by h by 2 is the x formula in even number of years. Even number of years x formula, x equal to t minus average of 2 middle years by h by 2. 2 middle years are 1995 and 1996. 2 middle years 1995, 1996. Average of 2 middle years 1995 plus 1996 by 2 is 1995.5. 2 middle years average value is 1995.5. 1995.5 value is fixed. T is years. H by 2. H gap between the years. 1992, 1993, 1994. H value is 1. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Denominator value 0.5 fixed. Numerator average of middle year value 1995 is 1995.5 is fixed. Only T values are different. Average of 2 middle years value is 1995.5 and h by 2. H is 1. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5. Next, T 1992. 1992 minus 1995.5. Divided by 0.5 is minus 7. Minus 7. Next, year 1993. 1993 minus 1995.5. Divided by 0.5. Minus 5. Minus 5. Next, T value 1994. Minus 1995.5. Minus 3. Minus 7, minus 5, minus 3. 2 gap. Minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1. 2 gap. Minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 1 3 5 7. 1 3 5 7. Summation x value is 0. Summation x value is 0. Minus 7 plus 7 minus 5 plus 5 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Summation x is 0. Substitute summation x value in two normal equations. Summation y equal to ma plus b summation x. Summation x is 0. Then a equal to summation y by n. What is summation y? Summation y value. Summation y. 520 plus 550 plus 470 plus 510 plus 540 560 570 590 is 4310. 4310 by number of years 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. $538.75. 538.75. A value 538.75. Next, second normal equation, summation xy equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Here summation x is 0. Then b equal to summation xy by summation x square. Summation xy by summation x square. A value 538.75. A value 538.75. A formula summation y by n. B formula summation xy by summation x square. Note it. X values minus 7 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 1 3 5 7. B formula summation xy by summation x square. X square values minus 7 square 49 25 9 1 1 9 25 49 49 150 50 50 100 25 25 50 150 150 to 18 168. Summation x square value 168. $75 $75 150 160. Next xy x y 520 into 7 minus 7 3640 minus 3640 550 into 5 minus 2750 470 into 3 minus 1410 minus 510 540 560 into 3 1680 570 into 5 2850 590 into 7 4130 4130. Next summation x y 890. 890. B formula summation xy by summation x square. Summation xy is 890 by summation x square is 168. .3. B value 5.3. B value 5.3. Next, trend values. Trend values or trend equation. Yt equal to a plus bx. Yt equal to a plus bx. T is years. Y at 1992. Y at 1992 equal to a value 538.75. 538.75 plus b value 5.3. 5.3 into x value minus 7. X value minus 7. Next, y at 1993. 538.75 plus 5.3 into minus 5. Y at 1994. 538.75 plus 5.3 into minus 3. Minus 1. Y at 1996. 1. Y at 1997. 3. Y at 1998. 1. 3. 5. Y at 1999. 7. 7. 538.75 plus 5.3 into minus 7. 501.65. 501.65. Next, minus 5. 512.25. Next, minus 3. 522.85. Minus 1. 533.45. One. 544.05. 3. 554.65. 5. 565.25. 575.85. Approx 502. 512. 523. 533. 544. 555. 565, 576, 576. 4310. 4310. These are the trend values. Okay. Next graph. We have to draw a curve by using years and sales. After that, we have to draw a trend line using years and trend values. Years and trend values. Year starts with 1992 and ends with 1999. X, Y, R is 0. Year starts from 1992 till 1999. 1992 to 1999. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Years. X-axis years. Y-axis least value is 470 and highest value is 590. 470, 590. 460, 480, 500, 520, 540, 560, 580, 600. Sales. We have to draw a curve line from 0 to 460. Curve line means data was condensed between 0 to 460. Data was condensed between 0 to 460. First curve. 1992 sales 520. 1992 sales 520. 1993 sales 550. 1993 sales 550. 1994 sales 470. 1994 sales 470. 1995 sales 510. 510. 1996 540. 1997 560. 1998 570. 1998 570. 1999 590. 1999 590. Join these points using hand. Is the curve. Next trend line. Trend line. 1992 is 502. 1992 is 502. 1993 is 512. 1994 is 523. 1995 is 533. 1996 is 544. 1997 is 555. 1998 is 565. 1999 is 576. 1999 576. Join these points using scale. This is the trend line. Scale is important. On x-axis is years. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 20 units. 20 units. 460, 480, 500, 520 gap 20 units. 20 units. What is the advantage of least squares method? One advantage is every trend value coincide with the year. Every trend values coincide with the year. And next advantage, we have to estimate the future values by using least squares method. We have to estimate the future values by using least squares method. This is the last topic in time series analysis. Last topic in time series analysis. In next class, I will explain shifted base index number and real base splicing index number. This is the last topic in time series analysis. And important essay questions, moving average method and least squares method. Okay. Same procedure, same calculation in even and odd number of years. Only x formula is different. What is the x formula in even odd number of years? X equal to t minus middle year. T minus middle year by h. This is the odd number of years formula. Odd number of years. Odd number of years formula. What is the x formula in even number of years? X equal to t minus average of 2 middle years by h by 2. This is even number of years formula. Even number of years. Only x formulas are different in even and odd. Same calculation, same procedure. X formula in odd number of years, t minus middle year by h. X formula in even number of years, t minus average of 2 middle years by h. H is gap between the years. H is gap between the years. This is the last concept in time series analysis. Thank you.